5. Explain about the formatting tables in MS Word. 10M. First point, formatting tables in MS Word is essential for creating documents that are both visually appealing and easy to read. Table formatting in MS Word. Point A. Creating a table. Point B. Insert table. Navigate to the Insert tab, click on Table, and drag to select the desired number of rows and columns. Point C. Alternatively, use Insert Table to specify the number of rows and columns manually. Second point, Draw Table. Use Draw Table to create complex table structures by drawing the rows and columns with the mouse. Third point, Quick Tables. Use predefined table templates available under the Quick Tables option for common table formats. Table Styles. Point 1. Predefined styles. Access the Design tab, visible when a table is selected, to apply predefined table styles that include various color schemes, border styles, and shading. Point 2. Modify styles. Customize existing styles by changing the border, shading, and font settings. Save these changes for future use. 2. Table design options. Point 1. Header row. Emphasize the first row as a header by checking the Header Row option in the Table Tools Design tab. This applies special formatting to the header row. Point 2. Total row. Add a total row for summarizing data by checking the Total Row option. Point 3. Banded rows columns. Enhance readability by alternating row or column colors. Select Banded Rows or Banded Columns in the Table Styles Options group. Point 4. First last column. Apply distinct formatting to the first or last columns by selecting First Column or Last Column options. Point A. Adjusting table layout. Point B. Resize table. Drag the table borders to resize, or use the Cell Size group in the Table Tools Layout tab to set specific row heights and column widths. Point C. Insert delete rows columns. Add or remove rows and columns using the options in the Table Tools Layout tab. Point D. Merge split cells. Combine multiple cells into one using Merge Cells, or split a single cell into multiple cells using Split Cells in the Table Tools Layout tab. 3. Cell formatting. Point 1. Cell alignment. Align text horizontally, left, center, right, and vertically, top, middle, bottom, within cells using the alignment tools in the Table Tools Layout tab. Point 2. Cell margins. Adjust the space within cells by modifying cell margins through the Cell Margins option in the Table Tools Layout tab. Point 3. Text direction. Change text orientation, horizontal, vertical, using the Text Direction button in the Table Tools Layout tab. 4. Borders and shading. Point 1. Borders. Customize the table's borders using the Borders group in the Table Tools Design tab. You can change the border style, color, and width. Point 2. Shading. Apply background colors to cells, rows, or columns using the Shading button in the Table Tools Design tab. Sorting and filtering. Point 1. Sort. Organize table data by sorting rows based on the content of one or more columns. Access the Sort feature in the Table Tools Layout tab. Point 2. Filter. Apply filters to display only rows that meet certain criteria. This is particularly useful for tables with large amounts of data. 6. Formulas and data. Point 1. Formulas. Perform calculations within table cells using basic formulas like sum, average, count, etc. Access formulas through the Formula option in the Table Tools Layout tab. Point 2. Data conversion. Convert text to a table or a table to text using options under the Table Tools Layout tab. This is useful for reformatting data presentation. 7. Table properties. Point 1. Properties dialog. Access advanced settings such as row height, column width, and text wrapping via the Table Properties option. Right-click on the table and select Table Properties. Point 2. Alternative text. Provide descriptions for tables to enhance accessibility, especially for screen readers. Set alternative text under the Alt Text tab in the Table Properties dialog. 8. Table Positioning. Point 1. Positioning. Adjust the table's position within the document by setting its alignment, left, center, right, or wrapping text around the table.